your girl Kinky Ray here, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome as well, and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video I will show you how you can properly do a blowout on natural hair. I've did this video once when I started YouTube like 4 years ago, and it was a nice video, but I didn't explain how you can do it properly and safely. And most of my videos are like videos like that are showing how you can stretch your hair without using heat. And so this is basically my first video I will do while using heat on my natural hair. First, you will need a blow dryer. Mine is from Dreamfix with 2000 watts. I bought this at my local beauty supply store for, if I'm not wrong, 30 euros. No. Yeah, I think 30 euros. So first of all, I bought another blow dryer, and it didn't have like the European, I don't know how to call this attachment, which I don't know. And so it had the UK one, the UK version, and I was like, how am I supposed to use it? Because I'm not in the UK, I'm in Belgium, okay? So I went back, I switched it, and they gave me like the comb attachment as an excuse, like as an apology, and it's really useful. So while doing a blowout, you surely need like this attachment, because it's really useful and it won't mess up your hair, especially if you do a blowout with a brush, because it's very difficult to use a blow dryer and a brush at the same time while doing a blowout on your own hair. Like if you do it on your clients or anybody else, it's easy to use, but on yourself it's a bit difficult. So if you don't know how to use a blow dryer and brush at the same time, I recommend using a blow dryer with a comb attachment. Second of all, you will need some hair clips, of course, and you will need a wide tooth comb, and you will also need a heat protector. Mine is from Showline System for Hair. It's like a straightening serum, but yeah, it's just a heat protector, like so you can blow dry, style, and set straight. I bought mine also at my local beauty supply store for 7 euros, and like a little goes a long way. So yeah, if you grabbed everything, we can start. So let's go.